RPG. Forehead. How many feet do you think is gonna fly, Jeff?
Because
usually on videos, these things only fly like what?
That tree?
10 feet middle drop.
Ready? It's not gonna fly. It's just gonna go like probably past the pot. Oh, fucking teeth. And I broke it.
Oh, boom!
Oh my god!
Okay.
Yeah, go for it. Maybe, yeah, pull that down and then fire. Oh wait, does that release it? Pablo!
This is
Pablo.
Rocket Launcher Mayhem number 5.
He's gonna shoot.
5 of them? All the cocks in the bar!
Wait, don't forget to use your sights. You don't want to miss.
Oh,
Yeah, use your sight.
You don't want to miss with the grenade launcher.
And now, all what we've been waiting for.
Alright guys, ready?
Put them both in your mouth.
October!
You gotta be like 1, 2, 3, and then right here.
It's all like